So this is a multitasker, and what it does is it really cools and soothes under the eye. It deeply hydrates the skin. It helps depuff any bagging that you have or dark circles. The ingredients include a Botox-inspired peptide to really help reduce and relax fine lines and wrinkles and crow's feet, hyaluronic acid to really hydrate the skin under the eye. It also has cucumber extract, and that helps with inflammation, depuff, and dark circles. And then it has safflower and sunflower, a lightweight oil to really lock in that moisturization safely. So how to use the lifting eye cream is really simple. I just apply one little dollop onto the eye, and then I pat it into the skin under the eye area until it is dissipated, and I do this morning and night.